program that brings you the latest news and reports on Kuwait's 2010 to 2014 development plan. I am Mazal Ansari. In this episode, His Highness the Emir is briefed on the progress of Kuwait's renewable energy power plant project. Under the patronage of His Highness the Emir, the National Conference on Free Legislation is held in Kuwait. The Council of Ministers approves the issuance of new banknotes in Kuwait. And the Minister of State for Cabinet Affairs reaffirms His Highness the Emir's support for youth projects. You are listening to the Wheel of Progress on 93.3 RKFM and on 963 megahertz on the AM band. We would love to hear from you. You can contact us at wop.kuwait@gmail.com. We will start this episode of Wheel of Progress with the latest political developments in the country. We begin with the local news over the past week as His Highness the Emir Sheikh Sabah Al-Ahmed Al-Jaber Sabah received Minister of Education and Minister of Higher Education and head of the Board of Trustees at the Kuwait Institute for Scientific Research, KISR, Dr. Naif Al-Hajraf. The meeting was held